So I'm Hatton, right? Cheers. Mm. See, if you're American out there, you don't see it so well. I saw Indiana or New York City. Why am I dressing? I just gotten up, woken up. I've been sleeping. So it's not Indiana, no, New York. It's about Indiana people in America. See me all guys having your own war out there. Or American women try to make this a public area. For what I said, where anyone can trash him with a dialogue. It's average American, especially the females. And seemed this become a war about property where American man killed Indiana. When nothing of America ever intended to save me. It is America's man's fault and Norway. All this shit. They're cooperatives. They're guilty. So if you all have your own war up there, if you're American man, go to hell. If you're American female, get lost. This is the site not for you.